Let's get back to our lead story where we told you that Olympic champion Hansa Parchment sizzled to a world-leading time in the men's 110-meter hurdles at the Muller Diamond League meeting in Birmingham on Saturday. The meet had 4 more Jamaicans with podium finishes.
Hansa Parchment, who was in his final meet before the national championships next month, had Britain's Andrew Pawsey to his left and 2016 Olympic champion Omar McLeod to his right, but the 6'5" athlete was not to be deterred.
Away first time, cleanly. Great start from Omar McLeod. Maybe has got a point to prove after missing the Olympics last year. Work to do for Parchment, but it's Omar McLeod who's clipping. Now comes back Parchment. Parchment coming back strongly in the final stages. Parchment gets it on the line. 13:09.
Parchment's 13.09 seconds makes him the fastest man in the event this year and a 4th win of the season, while McLeod's 13.17 seconds handed him a season's best performance. There was no other Jamaican winner on the day, as Olympic 100-meter bronze medalist Shericka Jackson, after a sluggish start, had to settle for second behind hometown favourite Dina Asher-Smith.
Good start from Asher-Smith. Also going well is Briscoe. But there comes Asher-Smith through the centre. She's got a half a metre on both Jackson and Gabby Thomas. Also coming through is Nita. Oh, it's a dip for the line.
Jackson registered 11.12 seconds to Asher-Smith's 11.11. The men's event saw 2011 world champion Johan Blake leading the pack for 90 metres until he was pipped on the line by Canada's Aaron Brown, who won with 10.13 seconds. Blake had to settle for 10.18 seconds in a negative 0.2 metre per second wind.
Well, good this time. Great start there from Aaron Brown. Second to left. Also good running in lane 2 by Johan Blake. And Johan Blake, the grand old man, comes through for this one, or does he?
National 800-meter champion Natoya Gould faded into 3rd in her event, running 2 minutes, 0.13 seconds behind Great Britain's Keely Hodgkinson, who won in 1 minute 58.63 seconds, while Francis Renee Lamont was second with 1 minute 59.53 seconds. And Genevieve Russell was 7th in the women's 400-meter hurdles in 56.21 seconds. American Dalila Mohammed took the event in 54.54 seconds. The next stop in the Diamond League is in Eugene, Oregon on Saturday. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.